MacBook Pro microphone. Can you hear me now? I wasn't capturing my audio. MacBook Pro microphone. Yes. Now it's audible. Can you hear me now? I wasn't capturing my audio. Yeah. MacBook Pro microphone. Cool. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's Art audible. With Dubey. Can you hear me now? Low voice. I wasn't capturing my audio. Low voice. Okay. Understood. Mic sensitivity. Enable down mixing. Okay. Audio input. Okay, it should be fine now, I guess. This much only I have in control. Is it fine? Is it fine now? Else I can connect a mic also. Why this is stuck on the ChatGPT screen? Okay. Why this is stuck on the monitor screen? Capture, audio capture. Media source. There is no media source. Are you guys able to see the LeetCode screen? Not the monitor screen. Share scene. Capture. Bro, this OBS is macOS screen capture. Window capture application displays this another screen. Okay. Now it should be visible, I guess. First approach is to find the size k element using sliding window then checks its average if greater or equal to safety increment. Easy code, maybe you were on the wrong screen. I'm solving this question. Find all anagrams. First step is using sliding window, then checks its average is greater or equal to. Easy code, maybe I was sharing the older screen. This is the problem I'm solving. Find all anagrams in a string. And I have used sliding window. Yes, I have used sliding window in this one as well because I'm currently solving sliding window questions. This is where I'm stuck. If you can help me here, I used array list. I don't know basics of Java, so I want to know how can I get the array from this one, result.toArray. Maybe I'm thinking of using an loop here. Oh, no problem number. पहले screen पे था. Okay. Chat GPT वाले. Okay, मैं sure. I'm trying this OBS and all everything first, no? So I got confused. I can have, for example, int array is equal to new new int array of size, maybe result dot length something. What's the syntax? How to create a new array in Java. String cars, int fixed size. I want a fixed size array. Correct only. This is correct. Result length and array list length. How to get array list length in Java? Array list size. It's dot size, I guess. Array list size, not length. Then I can loop through this again. Can I? Int I is equal to 0, I less than result dot size. Why are you not using IDE? LeetCode questions need to be solved only here, na? So I can solve this in IDE, but LeetCode expects me to write it in here, and we are not supposed to use the multiple libraries in LeetCode, so we have to write functions for simple things as well here. dot size I plus plus, and then array I is equal to result dot get I, and I can return, oh that's good, yeah. It's all about LeetCode now. You see there are people solving LeetCode problems all over here. If you see, there's ranking to it. I've solved 16 questions and my rank is 45 lakhs. So there are people who are solving this question. So it's like a dynamic competitive programming that people do. Okay, I hope this should work. Result dot size, acha size callable, it's a callable function. Return array, acha list, they are expecting a list, so why I did this yaar, I don't need this. Okay, I don't need this, fine. So here's my account, yeah, please share, I'll follow you. Is this your account? Easy code 257. Can I search you here? What's your account? Can I search other people's profile here? Explore. Kanhaiya Kumar. Okay. How to search? How to search people on LeetCode? You can't directly search for people within the main LeetCode. You can find users array if you know LeetCode. Okay, this LeetCode. Give me URL to find person with username. Username, this will search you. Okay, oh, 189 questions you have solved, brother. You can help me a lot here then. December is dry for you. But every month is good. 466 submissions. Where are you working right now, if you can share, Kanhaiya? Let's see your submissions. You are also using Java. Nice. Good, yeah. It's good. Can I follow a person? Yeah, no. There's no follow button. Basically, मेरा university exam. You are still in college. Have you got placement? इस वजह से अभी inconsistent हो. Okay. Yeah, it justifies everything. But still 189 is a good score, no? I'm in second year student. Which college? Which college are you in? अच्छा, MD University. Nice यार. All the best. 189, 59%, almost 60% acceptance. You will get a good placement by end of your graduation now. Nice yaar, nice. You have your GitHub as well. A journey through Java web development. You had 16-12 contributions in last year. Bro, you don't look like a person from a second year college, second year of engineering. Looking at your profile. Contributed to which? Actually, it's your personal project. Rock, paper, scissors game. Nice. It's good to meet you, Kanaya. I hope to see you again here. I'll follow you on GitHub. For front end, currently learning JS. I'm a currently front end developer. My role is front end developer. For front end, my front end is weak. Yeah, bro, I'm a first year student. Can you rate my portfolio, site, and project that I'm working on? Yeah, please do share. Do share your username. We'll search. We'll see. For front end, easy code. Which technology you are using? Maybe interested in Angular, React. Can you work together for a project? We can, but I hardly get time because I'm a working professional right now. So only the weekends are mine sometimes. Arman Dev. Space या brackets हटा देना. I don't know why link नहीं जा सकता. It's GitHub profile, right, Aman? Basically, I'm interested in backend development. Currently, I'm doing Spring Boot. Yeah, I'll suggest. I have like 4 years of experience in IT industry, so I'll suggest backend is better right now because the job market is in such a way. Wait, we'll see his profile first. Oh, this is not his profile. Yes, Arman. Yeah, sure, easy connect. We'll connect. I'll coming more often live. I'm planning to coming live on this channel more often now. because my older content I'm just got I'm not getting enough time to create that type of videos anymore. So this is off my field. This is not my profile. This is yes Arman. Is it Arman? My acha my GitHub user. That is your GitHub user. Is this one Arman? There is nothing to show for you here. It's here 14. Okay, I am Arman. I'm passionate developer who treats code like art, nice and architecture. I don't just build websites. I engineer scalable systems. My journey started with simple scripts, but now I am architecturing production grade applications using one stack, handling background jobs with Redis and BullMQ, and deploying on my own Linux VPS. I love the chaos of backend logic, optimizing database queries, securing API endpoints with JWT and Resort, and integrating AI models like Gemini to make apps smarter. Nice introduction. Let's follow you first. Code review 95% commits issues. DSA. Let's see any which project should I wow, what happened? Arman? This is your profile, right? Arman Thakur? Let's see your site, resume, profile. Mohali Punjab. Acha, you are just in first year. Bachelor of Engineering Computer Science 11 course. I'm seeing a resume of a first year student, and this much work he has done. AI powered cloud storage system, Nova Drive dot space. Acha, this is your project, Nova Drive dot. Okay, this is not. Nova Drive dot space. This is this your project, like? What is this? Can you explain, Arman? If you can see the screen. System architecture, pricing. You have some details in your profile. You can read that. Nova Drive. Is there any readme file? No readme file. What does this site do, Arman? Chunked upload files are split into 5 MB chunks and uploaded in parallel batches of 4, dramatically improving upload speeds for larger files. Okay, can I try this for free? Arman, you are doing crazy stuff. Yeah, actually, Arman is doing crazy stuff. It's a And he's in first year. How do you know these many things if you are in first year, man? It's a cloud storage like Google Drive, but my own with AI integration like UT tags, summary generation, and auto folder suggestion. You can also use AI to search smartly. Oh, nice, yeah. I love coding. Yeah, I can see that. Why are you doing graduation then? I don't think you need any graduation certificate. Then, are you making any money out of this site? Because I can see there are pricing tiers in this one. And the most important question, where are you storing this? Which storage you are using? AWS or something like that? Okay, Arman. Arman is busy somewhere. It's my ongoing project. 8 plus project shit. 1000 GitHub commits. This is your email. Cloudflare. Okay. Your profile is crazy, Arman. Title Forge, Resolve IQ, Chatex. Arman, have you solved any LeetCode questions? We can also see your profile. I I hope you have LeetCode profile as well. Nice. Let's get back to our question. There was problem. There's a problem. Index 2 out of bounds for link 2. Yeah, it is out of bound. Yeah, I recently started doing DSA. I'm very new. You can help me here then, Arman. Index 2 out of bound for length 2. Yeah, there is some activity. Is there any issue here? Do like the stream. If anybody is new here, do like it so that I can come often here. Okay, I'm making mistake here. This, yes, I should be less than s dot length minus k, which is the piece length. Then why it is going out of bound? If is anagram. Less than equal to, I guess. last executed input AB. Array list int k length. First is 0 and 3, so this anagram, this is okay. Then second, index 2 outer point bound. Is 0 1 2. So here it is going out of bound. E contains string of value a caret 0 1 2. 0 1 2. 0 1 2. This anagram function is something wrong. E dot contains string a dot char at 0 1 2 is fine now. So I'm not sending a proper 3 length का string. 0 will start from 0 and 0 plus k is 3. So maybe we take e dot length over here, then try. Okay, now it worked, but answers are wrong. Some cases are failing. ABC output 0 4 5 6, expected 0 and 6, y 4 and 5 came. So first is CBA, which is anagram correct, 0. Then BAE is not an anagram, 1 is no. Then AEB no, 2 is no. EBA 3 is no. BAB okay. Acha, because it found B and A always. I haven't considered it for the repetition. So this logic is correct. The sliding window is, it's not quite sliding window, but yeah, this logic in this one I have to consider it for repetition as well. So I need a list, a set. In Java I guess it's a set. Set holds the, okay, can I convert this string into a set so that it gives me, and then I iterate, or this is the simplest way I guess, converting string to a set. How a set works in Java, let's read set in Java. Normal set. Is a collection where elements where every is unique. This is what we want. Hash set. Yeah, this is what we want. Hash set of type string, maybe s is equal to new hash set of type string, and then can it take this, and now this is this. It can we need one more condition here. If s dot size, I hope size is the function, is not equal to p dot length, then also return false. Then it will be not an anagram. Okay, else this for loop that we have, and in this one now instead of int I is equal to 0 contains, now we don't need this, we'll need s dot get I. Let's try this. Okay, s dot get I, what, cannot find symbol. What is there for to get in hash set? Add contains, remove clear. Is there no get? Size loop through hash set. There's no get method in hash set. Unique elements, can I, is there add, remove? No, there is no get method. Contains, oh nice, 4 likes. I haven't expected this. 4 likes, too much for me. What's there to get element? How to get element from a set? How to get element at ith place from a set? Short answer, no, you cannot directly get. Okay. Hey, this is too much list. Why we have to write so much things in Java? JavaScript was way better. List, character list, new array list, set. Character ch, set. While it has next. What Java guys uses, I want to know that. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. I want to know what these guys use in Java. I hope this kind of thing they use. Does anybody know? Does anyone know the best way to loop through the set here? Use this kind of thing. Character IT next. What's the, I'll ask ChatGPT. What's the simplest way here? You can't and you shouldn't try to. There's no ith element in set. I can simply switch, no? Yes contains p dot char at and string dot value of this, or no bracket. Can I do this? Yes might not have been initialized. Yes, no, a brother. No suitable constructor found for hatch set. Now this is new. Hatch set cars, new string. It's asking me to do this, and then yes dot add a, like this. No. Now it failed miserably. Our anagram logic is, we need to build, rest is fine. I'm doing shit things here, I can see that. Hatch set string, yes, this is okay. Yes dot add. Can we console something here? This should be else. This is fine. There's not an issue in this one. Now what's wrong? Let's ask ChatGPT, is this a correct? Is this correct way to exclude duplicate as from a string? I think here's some mistake. Short answer, no, this does not exclude duplicate characters. Okay, if this, then the set contains abc. Nice. For char c a dot to char array, how many loops I need to use in here? Char c a dot to char array, and then yes dot add c. This is wrong. Because it's Mistake. Yes dot add character. So it's saying not hash, use character directly. But next loop might fail na if I use character here. Okay, next loop didn't fail, but it didn't also work. Yes dot size is not equal to p dot length, then it's false. This is correct, I know for sure. And then else for I p dot length I plus plus yes dot contains, there won't be any s. We don't need this because it's a character now. P dot caret. Okay, I hope is there contains method. Yeah, contains. Yes dot contains. What's missing here? Any bracket? Oh, it worked. It worked. We did so many fishy things, but still it worked. We'll improve it. Let's see all the test cases are working. Oh, wrong answer. It failed. Acha, it's failing where BAA and AA. Output 0, expected 1. Now it's time to improve. Two test cases passed, but this one is failed. Let's see why this test case is failing. We'll do some dry running here. BAA, okay, BAA 0 and this length is 2, okay, then it's passing BA first. BA is passed to our is anagram function. Now what will happen, as set created, then this BA set has 2 characters, size is not same, so it will not return false. Then okay, if yes dot contains p character I, yes dot does yes dot contains no, so it should return false. Why it's giving 0 then? Why it gave 0? This return is at wrong place. Why it's on the first thing it's returning 0, but through the dry run, if here it is yes is AA, sorry, BA dot p contains like contains, it becomes p char at I 0, so it's a. So ba contains a true on. I understood the problem. Here also we need window to slide. Once an element is found, we need to remove that from the set. Like once the element is checked, here we need some logic inverse. Okay, understood the problem. Understood the problem. If contains this, then simply remove yes dot remove p dot cap, because it will again give false test now, so we need to remove this I. Okay, and this if becomes else, this whole if becomes else. Let's run this. Let's submit and try this. Now it didn't give anything. Now it didn't give anything. Let's see our string. Now let's do dry run again. Okay, now what we are getting, this ba here contains a contains here, so s remove p at char I, a is removed. Okay, now our string becomes this b, and character at I second place is also a. So again s dot contains this, no, else return false. It should actually return false, but so first वाला तो कट गया. First element false, then the next element, next, which is aa. Aa is passed, aa comes here, added to this. Is this duplicate logic unnecessary? I guess so, because we need duplicates as well. Yes dot add a. To char array. We again need string, maybe this will let us add in here, but the logic will fail here. Yes dot contains, yes is now a string. Let's see what error it gives. it work. I don't think we need hash set here, something. Let's try using array list. I don't think we need hash set here. Is this correct? Is this correct way? I don't want to remove duplicates. The constructor using this only. This, but it's giving me wrong answer. That will figure out why. What it gives first, I need to know. Yes, this is correct. Okay, directly added DSA as our first element of like this ABC, which we don't want. What we want A comma B comma C like this. So to char array, brother, why this brother? Again character, and this string will become character, and we'll need this for loop. I hope now this gives array correctly. The first two test cases should pass. Acha, runtime error. Character p at index 97 out of bounds for length 3. Removing this, yes, not remove. Is my basic logic only wrong for anagram? Yes, dot remove wide out of bound, index 97 out of bounds for length 3. Acha, length 3 0 1 2. 0 1 2. Not sure about this error when it's going out of bound. Let's do a dry run. B contains A. Yes, is this much? Bro, can you tell me that how to actually learn a language? I directly start coding in the new language. That's the only way I find very useful while learning a new language. I studied C++ in college. C++ helped build the foundation. And after learning C++ correct in a correct way, after that everything feels almost similar. Then I picked JavaScript. I worked on JavaScript for almost 2.5 years as a front end developer. Currently, I'm also working on JavaScript. I solved some questions in JavaScript. I did enough coding in JavaScript. Then I want to also learn the backend now. So I'm learning Java. So the best way I'm using is just get the questions, solve the questions, and do Google search, ask ChatGPT for the syntaxes, because syntax is the thing that we should be aware of. And later part, once we get the idea, everything, the Copilot is helping a lot nowadays. So practice is the actual way to learn a new language, according to me. I hope it answered your question, Punk Wing 69. What's your name? Why your at the rates like handle names are so funky? Punk Wing. This is going out of bound for this string. Let's do a dry run for this string. Okay, this is our string. I will start from 0. And what's the other string? ABC. P is ABC. So ABC length will be 3, and then CBA will be passed to this function is anagram. Okay, so CBA comes here. And then CBA array list converted, added to this. So what we get here is C comma B comma A. Okay, now this size, I need this because now I don't need this logic at all. I'll comment it. Now CBA this C comma B comma A. C comma B comma A contains P at array. Yes, it contains. Then remove, yes, dot remove P at character, then it will be this. Maybe it's going out of bound somewhere here. Okay, then again we come here, then we check A B. B is going to checked, but there's okay. Now B is removed. Okay, fine. Now there is only C, then C checked, and C is removed. So it's an anagram. So it's An anagram. Okay. Why it's going out of bound, I'm not sure. Should I ask ChatGPT? It's too much time I have spent in here. Oh. I index 97 out of bounds for length 3. What length 3? 0, 1, 2 and 3. For EBA is it going out of bound? No Java guy here on this stream. The stream's current bitrate is higher than the recommended. We recommended to use. What is this error again? Oh, I got 98 views. So that's too much. I expected 0 viewers, but I got 98 views. Good job. Back to problem. What the hell is wrong here? Public boolean is this. Should I look for the solution now? Is it the time? Is it the time to look at the solution? Do like the stream, guys. Whoever is watching, do like it so that I can be back again. Let's debug. Can't we debug over here? Let's see how to debug in this. How expensive is premium or LeetCode? Ooh, $279. Too much, too much, too much. To learn anagram, how to check string anagram. Two strings, exact same characters. That's what I'm doing. Why it's going out of bound? Array list dot remove. to remove something from array list. Add get set remove. Acha, out of bound. Okay, 97p. Okay, that character is considered as a 97 ASCII and it is trying to remove this. Instead, I should give the index. Where is that index? Get 0. What's the interface this array list have? Adds an element, returns the element at the specific position, set removes the element at the specific position. So I need to know where is this position. I need to know where is this position of the particular index is. So how can I know this particular index? So how to get index of any element in array list. Add banana, index of list, index of banana. Acha, instead of this it should yes dot index of what is it? List dot index of yes dot index of p char at this remove that particular index. Oh, it worked. Time limit exceeded because of so many loops we have. I should check. P caret I. Let me give clear instructions. Don't give me final code. Don't give me final code. Just tell me, is this logic correct? How can I make this stream interesting? Yes, the core logic is correct. A few important caveats you should be aware of. I'll stick to logic only. Put all characters A into a list. For each character in P, if it exists in list, remove one occurrence. Else, not an anagram. This correctly handles frequency, which was the big mistake earlier. Contains alone. So conceptually, CBA is ABC correct, AAB is ABC correct, AAB versus correct. This means your anagram logic is sound. Okay, we have built correct anagram logic. Hello, coding pulse. Hello, coding pulse. Welcome to the stream. Length check is missing. Achha, I removed the length check. I removed the length check. But here the coming length will be fixed. Why we need length check? No, there is no need for length check. Can you help me, coding pulse here? Do you see any mistake? What mistake I am doing here? It's saying time limit exceeded for this big test case. Our anagram logic is right. I don't think we need a length check here because I am sending correct length of string from here. So length check is not required. I'm pretty sure about it. The length I'm sending, time, it's taking too much time because of these many for loops. How can I avoid a for loop here? Because it will run this for loop first, add to our character list. I'm also doing DSA live. Okay, should we see your live? Can you see your live? Coding pulse. Let me copy your, let's see your grinding LeetCode live. You are seeing my stream. I'm also doing DSA live. Okay, should we see your live? Can you see your live? Coding pulse. Let me copy your. It's an infinity loop. Let's see your.
देखते यार.
It's like your stream. Grinding LeetCode live. You are seeing my stream. I'm also doing DSA live. Okay, should we see your live? Can you see your live? Coding pulse. Have you streamed before? Coding pulse, have you streamed before? Acha. Grinding LeetCode until I get placed. What type of content you post? What's your popular video? MongoDB explained in 4 minutes. Ads.
Hey, welcome back. So today we are learning MongoDB, and trust me, this is going to be super easy and fun. Listen, I don't care if you are.
Your voice is good, huh? Coding Pulse. What's your name, Coding Pulse? Let's see SQL versus NoSQL.
As the data increases. But in today's world, especially for modern developers, the most important difference to understand between SQL databases and no SQL databases. This is the classification you will hear about almost everywhere. Now let's first see SQL databases. SQL databases is also called.
Nice. You are a nice channel. I'm your 300 subscriber, Coding Pulse. I just wanted to give a quick update. I'm currently working hard on a complete TypeScript series and JavaScript tutorials for you. I know it might seem like I'm inactive, but trust me, I'm putting in the work day and night to bring you quality content. It's 8 months ago post. Let's see, have you posted JavaScript TypeScript series? Data structure, MongoDB, LeetCode, TypeScript tutorial. Is this the one? How old it is?
Hi and welcome to TypeScript Based, or just someone curious. Follow along easily, even if you're just starting out.
Nice. Nice channel you have. You are streaming me only. I thought you were streaming your LeetCode life. Okay, back to the problem. Back to the problem. Time bound. So, can we avoid this array list? Hmm. Can we do this? I'm just thinking add c dot char no c no a dot char array char array to char array to char array and then no, because this is unwanted logic. Help me, Lord. The time complexity is too much for our logic. Let's discuss with ChatGPT. I'll give you the logic. I'm sending this, so I don't need length side check. I'm sending the substring build, so I don't think I need a length check here. You are right in this specific, you don't need a length check. Yes, is anagram. Let's be precise about why length check is unnecessary. I know this is unnecessary. Don't tell me this again, ChatGPT. Your correctness of overall approach from the pure logic, your slide of window of size k, you check if the window is anagram of p, you record the smart index. This is 100% logically correct. Will return the not optimized. Yes, that's what, it's not optimized, that I know. Substring creates a new string every time. OK square list based check overall complexity n into case for LeetCode constraint TLE risk. But since you explicitly said don't give me final code, just logic, then logic wise correct. Yeah, it passed many cases, but now it's time to optimize. It said substring gives substring creates a string every time. So what could be an alternative for substring in Java? What could be alternative for substring? What could be the alternatives for Java for substring? In Java, the primary alternative for substring often depends on the specific goal. No append, no char array, no split. String split, if you want to divide a string into parts based on a specific delimiter, split method is often more direct and readable approach. No split substring Java. So what you have built is brute force sliding window plus exact anagram check. The optimized sliding window solution is same, just no substring creation. No substring creation. ChatGPT is saying I don't need a substring. If not substring, then how can I pass it to anagram function? Substring, then how can I pass it to the anagram function? It means you have hit the exact point where brute force sliding window turns real sliding window. I'll answer conceptually no final code. For every window I must excite the substring and pass it to anagram. This feels natural, but it's not required. Don't pass the window itself, you pass the state of the window, left and right. Instead of passing CBA, you maintain frequency of chars inside the for string p, count how many times each character appears. Build the first window set state, compare state not strings, that's current window frequency. It going into frequency or something. I think how much time I have spent. Where does it show analytics? I think I should stop the stream and continue from here because I'm doing mistake and now I'm hungry. It's 1:35. So let's end the stream. Okay, bye guys, and thank you for 108 views. It was really unexpected. I'll be back here. I got some motivation now. I'll be back.